guys, on today's menu I'll be cooking up some minced beef. I already seasoned it up, that's why it's looking like that. With pasta, over here we have the Gaia spaghetti. I'm gonna add some corn, and I have my tomato paste. Okay, so the pot is boiling up. As soon as it starts to boil, I'm gonna add this pasta, and then I will get back to you guys and show you what's going on. So this is a quick and easy meal, like in 10-15 minutes max it will be ready. So if you come home from work tired, want something easy, quick to cook for the kids or for yourself or whatever, this is very quick, cheap and efficient. Okay, so I'll be right back. So meanwhile the pot is boiling up, I'm gonna get started with the meatballs. So I add the oil to the pot, so I'm just waiting for the oil to heat up. Then I'm gonna add the meatballs in it. Okay, so the pot starts to boil, so I add the pasta, and I'm just stirring it around so the pasta doesn't stick together, because pasta have a tendency to do that. When you put them in there, they just clump up together and they stick together like that. So I like to kind of stir it a little bit so they get separated from the beginning. Okay, and this whole pot will last me for 2 to 3 days, so you can have it in your fridge and heat it up and eat it even 2 days or 3 days after. I keep this in my fridge for up to a week, and it doesn't even last a week, because between my husband and my daughter, this thing don't last. Okay, so the pot over here heating up, so I'm gonna put in the meatballs now. Okay, so I'm putting in the meatballs in there. I'm gonna stir it so I can break it up. Since I'm big chunks now, because it tends to get like that, so I have to kind of break it up with a fork to get it into pieces. Just use the fork and just kind of press it like this, press it down, kind of break it up. So I like to season up my meatballs. If I'm off, I season the meatballs first thing in the morning when I wake up, and then leave it, just put it in the bottom of the refrigerator or the fridge, whatever you want to call it. And then when I'm about to cook, like 10 minutes or so before I start to cook, I take it out, and then I cook it. Let it cool down a little bit, and then I cook it. So I'm just breaking it up into pieces. Now the meat is almost cooked, so I'm just gonna add the tomato paste. Add the tomato paste. Steam is coming up. So add the tomato paste. So I'm just gonna add the tomato paste and then show you what that looks like. Okay, so added the tomato paste, so I'm just gonna stir it in. Just gonna stir it in. looking good and smelling so good already too. Smelling real good. Guys, I never, living in Jamaica all my life, I have never ever tried this thing, like spaghetti and meatballs. It wasn't something I liked or even think of doing. I've never went to the supermarket and buy meatballs until one day I came home from work and my husband cooked it, and I was like, oh my god, what the hell is this he cooked? He's like, boy, he's like, you always make up your face anytime me I give you something new. Even before you try it, you make up your face. Boy, he said, the Jamaican in you. Oh my god. I started to laugh and I said, okay, baby, let me try it. And I try it, and people, I got hooked. Let me tell you, me get hooked. And my daughter get hooked on it too. Right now, our favorite dish. Favorite dish this now. I know me really love to cookie. Me learn how to cookie. And one day I come home and me surprise him. He laughs at tail because he can't believe that me really cookie. Because me tell me never cookie before. Never ever try them and shit yeah. But you don't know we are Jamaican and we can cook anything. Yes, so me Google. Yes, Google me thing. And me say yes. Get me ingredients. And me say yeah, you know more than me. And me just cook up a storm. Yeah. And now me a pro on it. Even him say me get better, me come better than him. Me say what you mean? Me a Jamaican. What you mean? We can cook anything. You just want to see you give it to me one time. Can do my research and cook that. So guys, I'll be back. So now I've added the corn. I don't know what is this. So it's the corn or something. But we have to wash the corn out of the water while it come in. And wash it with fresh water. I can just throw it from the can to the something. You have to rinse it off like 2 times out of the water the way it come in. Before me can throw in my pot. I don't know, it's probably weird or something, but that's how I like to do it. To each its own still, see? Yeah, so add the corn now. So I'm just waiting on the pasta to finish cook. It's almost done cooking, and then I'm gonna add. So I'll be adding some of this Bertolli 5 cheese tomato sauce, and I love this one. This one is really nice. You don't have to use this one, you can use any one of your choice, but this is the one that I really like. It tastes so good because it has Parmesan cheese in it and ricotta cheese and 100% olive oil. Yep, so I like this one. Now the pasta is finished and ready, so I'm just gonna pour the meatballs over into the pasta. Oops. Yep, like so. And then I'm just gonna mix everything in together. To take the pasta up from the bottom. Mix everything in together. So guys, everything is already mixed in together, and this is what it's looking like. Looking delicious and yummy. See, everything all mixed in. I can't wait to dig in. It smells so good. Yes guys, so this is something easy, simple and cheap to cook, and it can last you for up to a week in your fridge. You can have like 3 to 4 night dinner, because this is not such a big pot but good enough size pot, and it's full. So yeah, this is up to a 4-night or 3-night, depends on how much we eat it. Okay, so as usual, thank you for joining me, and I pray that God will bless you guys for this 2021 and beyond. Stay safe, stay healthy, and be blessed. More life and blessings.